So here we are. This is the active construction zone for the Thacker Pass lithium mine. This is the water pipeline area where the company has been working for the past weeks. Here's this pile of dirt where they bulldozed to make this road. And literally about 2.5 feet past under this sage bush, baby birds. Brand new babies, alive, waiting for their parents to come feed them. Helpless in this nest under this sage here. This is what the mine is destroying. This is what the mine is harming. I'm gonna leave them alone.